Hi everyone. So this phenyl what we taught you just now was thin phenyl. Now we are teaching you white phenyl, which will be very thick, and you can store it as it is. White phenyl is available in the market. What we did previously was colored phenyl. Now I am going to teach you white phenyl. So to make your white phenyl, basically I'll tell you what you have to do. So I'll just put it towards the table. Here it is. Okay. So for white phenyl, we have this emulsifier available in the market. So I'm going to take this emulsifier here. So how much is the emulsifier? Double the amount of pine oil you have to take. Okay. So you can do basically, you can weigh it. If you have a weighing machine, you can just weigh it in the weighing machine. So this should be like up to 10 grams. As far as I think, it should be 10 grams. So you can put this on the weighing machine, and according to the weighing machine, you can do it. So if this is 10 grams, means 20 grams pine oil will put. So this is the emulsifier we get like this to make white phenyl in the market. You can prepare white phenyl with this. The previously what I taught you with the pine oil, Alfox and TRO, basically we'll use that for color phenyl, and this one we can make the white phenyl. So you get emulsifying like this. It is already available in the market. If you go to the shop where you buy this material and you tell them that I want emulsifier for phenyl, they will give you this emulsifier. It is a jelly like. So, and then in this we have to add pine oil. So pine oil here I will be adding double the quantity. So if it my emulsifier must be 30 grams. So up to 60 grams of pine oil I will be adding. Up to 60 ml of pine oil I should add in this. Okay. So 60 ml of pine oil I have added in this. Now what we have to do? Mix the pine oil and the emulsifier nicely till you get a single solution. Go on mixing till the emulsifier nicely mixes in the pine oil. Okay. So this is basically for preparing thick phenyl. What we did previously was for thin phenyl, but for thick phenyl you have to, if you want very thick phenyl, you have to work like this. Get the emulsifier from the market, because in this emulsifier, apart from Alfox and TRO, there is also a product which will help to thicken up your phenyl. Okay, so nicely go on mixing, go on mixing. So in 60, 30 of emulsifier, I have added 60 pine oil, and now up to 120 I can add water. So this is the proportion of preparing your white phenyl. So this is thick white phenyl. Can you see the color? It is thick white in color. Now in this, whatever color you want you can add, and this will be a very thick phenyl. Whichever color you want you can add. So I will add here, what color I should add? I'm going to add musk fragrance. So might be 5 ml I will add musk fragrance, and in this what color I should add? Some color, might be musk means yellow color will do. So let me put yellow color here. So yellow phenyl will make. Okay. So little bit of yellow color, and can you see your white phenyl is ready. Thick white phenyl is ready, what we get in the market. So this is basically done with emulsifier. The emulsifier thickens up the phenyl solution. Okay, so as much of liter of water you can add and you can bottle them and sell them. Can you see? This will be a opaque phenyl. When you don't mix anything, it is white in color. Look here. When you don't mix anything, it's white in color. Only water you mix. It will be a white phenyl. Just little water. Look here. Just little water. It will be a white phenyl. And then when you mix your color and all, you will get the opaque phenyl. The moment you mix water and keep on mixing, it will be a white color phenyl. So this is white phenyl, which is also available in the market. And in this also, whichever color you want, the thickness is there because of the emulsifier. We have added the emulsifier which thickens up the solution. Okay. So this phenyl is with the emulsifier. So this is a white phenyl. This one is without any emulsifier, only with TRO and Alfox and pine oil. So it will be transparent. This with the emulsifier will be a opaque one. Okay, I hope 2 types of phenols we have taught you. Do give a try. Do, if any doubt and any you have any doubts and any further queries, you can always WhatsApp me on 98407-24819. You can always call me or WhatsApp me on 98407-24819. Bye bye. Take care. We'll come tomorrow again at the same time, 11:30. And tomorrow we'll have formulation on detergent, both liquid and